You know what, I think there's an exotic pet store in the mall, and maybe we can go do some grocery shopping there, and, bring it back here and grill it up.
Well, let's go. I'm starving.
All right, lead the way. Oh, you know what, this is looking really good, huh?
Oh, yeah, it's going to be delicious.
I think. Now, do you think that mayonnaise goes with snake?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Well, you know what? I'm going to get some cold drink.
Good idea, yeah. Okay. Let's go back over here and see. Hey, should I grill it or should I just throw it in the deep fryer?
Oh, you're the chef, Parker.
Oh, okay.
I'll help you, Parker. Here, come, Parker. Okay. Okay, hurry up, I can see his ribs.
What's wrong?
What is it? I don't know. What was that?
I think that was my mind.
Okay, we're gonna relax now. Okay. How about we go to the phone and I'll phone for help? Okay. Okay, walk forward. Okay, walk forward. Okay. Oh, okay, too far. Okay, let's go that way now. Yeah.
Oh, well, thank you for coming so quickly, Larry.
No problem. And that blonde kid will be out next year.
What about the other one?
Easy peasy. We just gotta wait for him to come out the other end. What did he just say? Did he just say something? What did he say?
Don't worry about it, Parker. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Can't feel my legs.
There's a dead rat in here. That blood pumping. All right, Parker. Keep those knees up. One more. And two. And three. One more.
Parker, you ate everything.
Yes. Yes, I have. You know what there, Josh? We've been friends for a very long time. Yeah. You're practically my brother.
Huh?
Mm-hmm. And regretfully, I'm going to have to eat you.
What?
Well, Parker, hey, buddy.
Okay, get off me, Parker.
Quit hawking yourself and give me your leg.
Oh, Parker, think of what you're doing. Oh, remember our dreams of being filmmakers.
That's true.
We have power.
Man, this is the best day of my life. Look at it. We got our first video camera.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, Parker, let's make a horror movie right now.
Shouldn't we write a script or something first?
Don't be crazy. Movies for teens don't have scripts, okay? Let's just scare people, and then we'll edit it together later, like it'll be totally real.
I think you're right. But, I'm going to need a costume.
I know what you're thinking.
Okay, let me get ready.
3, 2, 1, hello. Oh yeah, that's totally scary. Oh, nice. Okay, watch at the top.
Wait, you know what? There's some gravy leaking down my butt crack.
Yes.
Yeah, me a tissue.
Yeah, Parker. Okay. Go wait by the girls' washroom and scare the first girl that comes in.
That's awesome. Okay, then.
Oh yeah. Oh, Mary, don't get greasy on the legs. Dude, stop eating your costume.
I can't help it.
Something's coming. Okay, the camera's rolling and
Oh, nice content. Cow killer!
Run, Josh! It's a big alien! Run! Parker! filmmaker. I do. Parker?
What? Oh, Parker. You all right there?
I feel like eating some broccoli now.
Yeah, okay. Oh. Where is she? Hey, you're as pale as... And I eat tofu. Come here, you.
Parker, that is the most beautiful horror movie I have ever seen.
Yeah, it was awesome. And we made it. Okay, no, you're in here. Okay, Josh, come out. Yeah, I've been here before. Okay, maybe over there. Oh, wait, I just came over here.
Parker, let's just get it together, okay, buddy?
Okay, where are you? I know you're in here.
Hey, Parker, I got an idea. Why don't you stop this and we'll go for tacos. My treat, okay?
No deal! I want you to get up here right now so I can eat you. And I promise I'll share you with you.
Okay, Parker, you win. Come on get it, boy. Oh, Parker, you knocked yourself out, buddy. Well, just sleep it off, because I'm starving. I'm going to go get a taco.
Get one for me, too.
Well, Amelia, what did you think of that cartoon?
Well, ain't that one hand up, guys. Now, it's all I can move.
Well, you pretty much get the idea of what we do here. And was that great? Was that brilliant? What? What do you mean that wasn't brilliant?
Oh, it was okay. I thought it was interesting. I like it that one hand up.
Well, you pretty much get the idea. So why don't we watch this?
Sorry, Flip. I put the Phantom Cruiser on hover. You'll have to stay here.